How to fix app not install error on Android in 2 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, go to your home screen. Open Settings, tap on Apps, tap App Management, tap Search Bar, type in Google Play Services. Open it. Now tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Come back and again search for Google Play Store, select Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Once you have cleared cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store, you need to check whether your issue fixed or not. If not, you simply need to open Google Play Store on your device. Now tap Profile at top right and select Play Protect option. Now tap Setting icon at top right, and you simply need to turn on both options under Scan Apps with Play Protect. Now you need to go back and try installing the application again. Follow the on-screen instruction and the app should be installed successfully. That's it, you have successfully fixed the app not install error on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Have you any questions? Then drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.